everyone, how are you all doing? Good? Good. Okay, so today it's new moon in Scorpio and we are going to do new things in life from now on. But before that, out with the old and in with the new. That's why we need to clear our energy, our space, ourselves, because the veil is getting thinner. Things are going to happen very rapidly in our lives. So we need to wind up old things before we start new things in our life. Now it's going to be some roller coaster, and the music was loud enough to reach countries, right? So let's start with the reading then. Let's see what other energies coming. Let's see what other energies coming for today. Cut your losses. What did I just say? Out with the old, in with the new. Process your feelings and accept responsibility. Cool. So it seems like somebody needs to cut their losses and increase their incomes. Having said that, sometimes we need to let go certain things in our life to make room for new beginnings in our life. You know, if you are still wearing the old old clothes, then start buying new clothes. Get rid of the old clothes carry memories of the past. And if your hair is too long, if you are still having the same haircut, you don't trim your hair from time to time, you're still carrying the energies of the past trauma. So try getting a new haircut in a new moon or full moon phase. That is going to help you. When you cut your hair around the new moon, you are actually getting rid of old things, and full moon is all about getting thicker hair. So just work with the moon cycle. It's really going to help you process your emotions as well. I also feel that you need to sometimes reflect, take some time off, especially around the moon cycle, which is going to bring centered energy into your life. Having said that, emotions can get very overwhelming, especially around the moon cycle, new moon and full moon cycle. It's important that you ground your energies. Earthing is required. Sitting on the floor is required, right? So working on your root chakra is required. That can really help you to actually anchor your energy. That can really help you to process your feelings better. If you're too much in your masculine energy, then you need to know that you need to balance it with your feminine energy. How are you going to do that? Wear a silver and gold watch. Okay, that is a combination of both yin being feminine, silver, yang being sun, which is the father's energy, which is also the emperor's energy, which is also the masculine energy, right? So if you can wear a silver and gold combination, that's going to be excellent. If not, then you can wear it in any form of jewelry. Just figure it out how you're going to do that. Okay, accept responsibility. At times we tend to run away from our responsibilities, and we feel like, okay, it's better to run away than to face it. It will come back, circle. It will come back in some shape or format in another person. So don't run away from it. Okay, don't run away from your problems. For all you know, it's going to be an opportunity, and that's going to be your next upgrade. It will help you to grow. What I've learned from my life is like, facing your fears is actually going to unlock your next potential. It's going to unlock your higher self, your future self. And by running from it, you're actually running from your destiny. So yeah, now that's that. Let's see what else is coming up. What else is coming up? Queen of Wands, you have King of Pentacles and the Empress. Ooh, somebody's looking bougie. Who's looking bougie? What do we have here? Seven of Pentacles. Okay. It seems like somebody is really stepping in with the way they look, with the way they dress, with the way they are activating things in their life. Not only just look-wise, upgrading their career as well. Their finances are getting better. Okay, money is getting all... I'm seeing so much of money here. It's crazy. Crazy stability, long-term stability. Okay. Somebody, if you are a woman, you're going to be into your Empress mode. You're going to be enjoying the best time, best years, best life of your life. Okay, or lifetimes. Okay, lifetimes. I do feel that you are always a queen. You were just recognizing yourself now. And somebody who's very stable, committed and loving is also with you, who's going to rise up to your potential, become the king and queen that they are. Yeah, that's beautiful. You're going to crown each other some shape or format. You're going to balance each other. You're going to work on your looks. You're going to stable each other. Nice energies. This person is somewhere on the process of building something long term with you. Maybe you will get that kind of commitment, or maybe you'll get that kind of stability with each other. Yes, luck is on your side. You both are winning money bags. What, you getting a jackpot? You both are jackpot for each other. Wow. Okay. Oh, you got sweetheart. You got unconditional love here, which says that you both will have unconditional love for each other. You both are each other beloved. You will make babies. Okay. Just be very careful with this person. You know, just be very careful. I don't know what to say. Just figure out. Okay. Apology. Okay, somebody needs to apologize to other person, or maybe feeling very guilty of the way things have been growing with you both. Okay, it's growing with you both. So forgiveness is required on both ends to make this work out. Okay, that is going to relieve some kind of anxiety, depression in someone, because maybe they are carrying this from past lives. They're carrying this from many lifetimes. They're carrying this because they have done this before in many lifetimes, and that is the main reason of their anxiety, of not able to protect, of not able to give back, of not able to balance the relationship. But now trust, honesty and compatibility is going to help build the connection. Okay, the build long term with each other, and you guys can have a family together if that's what you're looking at, or a relationship where there is dogs, where pets, kids, if that's how your goals are. You are really going to be goals for a lot of people, and that can cause a lot of envy as well. But they don't know how much work and how much sacrifices you must have done to get this. It's all right. Just protect your energy. Okay, keep growing, keep glowing. Protect your energy, anchor and save yourself. Protect yourself, your family, and keep rocking. Okay, all right. So that's the energy reading for today, and I shall move on now. I have to do healings. Please take care of yourself, you guys. Yeah, bye bye.